Holy, holy days. So what is it so special about these days? Is it the fact that we are free to decide for ourselves what to do with our time? How would you call someone who consistently is taking away your freedom for the sake of safety? But he serves you an explanation, usually reasons for which you cannot live wholly. Many true models throughout history chose courage, dignity, a chance to shape their own destiny in order to become free. It wasn't easy, but that's why probably we are still admiring them.